So this bolt won't retract. Okay, it's not locked. This bolt in here is not retracting, so I'm going to unscrew these two screws and take the door handle off and find out what's going on. So I undid the handle. Now, what is this? I already tried putting this WD-40 in. I didn't get in here though. Now, I'm not too sure how this works. This is a jewelry. Okay, this is the other door handle, so how do I open the damn thing? How do I get it out? Okay, so I got grease all over my hands now. I can't get this. I had my other stronger arm. I was able to twist this, but it's still not coming undone. So I'm stumped.